Good afternoon, respected Chairman Sir and ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Meeta Rathore, librarian with BRCM College of Business Administration, Surat, along with my co-author, Mr. Akhtar Parvez, manager with ICRA Limited, Gurgaon, is here to present a paper entitled Librarian Development Program, that is LibDP, an initiative by ManLibNet, that's Management Libraries Network. Dr. X.R. Ranganathan's fifth law of library science says that library is a growing organism, which implies that along with library, the continuous development of librarian is a must. The society at large still has an old image of academic librarians, which need to be changed and improved upon in a positive direction. The entire responsibility of changing our own image of profession lies on us, that is the librarians. The process of the professional improvisation and commitment has already begun in this decade, where the nomenclature of the librarians has changed to information scientists, information managers, knowledge managers, etc. Now we'll see why there is a need for librarian development program. The advancement of ICT in the curriculum of academics has brought significant change not in the library and information services, but also in the changing roles and expectations from the library professionals. Customer-focused and user-oriented approach has replaced the traditional librarianship, which requires specialized subject knowledge and skills. It implies that either forcefully or willingly, continuing learning is the need of the day for the library professionals. Now we'll see the concept of LibDP. The leaf of LibDP has been taken from FDP, that is Faculty Development Program. FDP or MDPs, that is the Management Development Programs, are designed for teachers, researchers and managers for their management education progress. Every year, hundreds of sponsored participants enhance their skills and update their analytical capabilities to keep pace with their changing management practices. LibDP will certainly provide library professionals a unique opportunity for self-development with compulsory courses and specially designed workshops. These courses should be designed in a manner which may enhance the knowledge of applications of the new IT developments in the field of library and information science. Now let's see the objectives of the LibDP. The objectives of this program are to equip librarians with new skills and knowledge of the nascent IT development that are essential for providing better library services to the users, to maintain and enhance library effectiveness, to help librarians to fulfill academic responsibilities, and to help the participants in understanding the IT discipline for merging the library science and IT knowledge for the better functioning of libraries. LibDP, a case study. Now I will briefly discuss about the workshop which had been carried out under the umbrella of LibDP, titled as Human Approach in Librarianship. On 6 September 2008, a full-day workshop was organized at BRCM College of Business Administration, Surat, Gujarat. The program was jointly organized with ManLibNet. Now what is ManLibNet? ManLibNet is a management libraries network which was formed for sharing of resources and information among the libraries for fostering a spirit of cooperation and weaving them together in the networking arrangement. The main objectives of it are to provide a common platform to the professionals and to develop understanding and cooperation, particularly among business and management libraries. This one-day workshop under the umbrella of LibDP, that's Librarian Development Program, is another milestone of ManLibNet towards the professional and educational enhancement of library professionals. This BRCM College of Business Administration, it is managed by Sarvajanik Education Society and it's affiliated to Veer Narmad South Gujarat University, Surat. It was established in 1998. It is one of the leading institutes in South Gujarat region and the total strength is 540. Now I would like to share with you how the theme of this workshop had emerged. Look, IT has revolutionized the way people communicate, locate, retrieve and treat information. Internet has become standard equipment to access and retrieve information available across the globe. The working environment of nascent libraries is collaborative in areas that range from computing systems to traditional library functions. At this juncture, one must not forget that no IT system can replace human interaction and the role played by the librarians to deliver value-added services to the user's satisfaction. You will agree with me that the high value of soft skills is needed even in the digital librarianship. In addition to necessary technical skills, library professionals need to develop interpersonal and teamwork skills. Keeping these objectives in mind, the above workshop was organized for the development of human approach in librarianship to improve self-management and relationship between library and its stakeholders. The outline of the program was scheduled from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. It was a full day program. This included brainstorming technical sessions. In all, there were 2 technical sessions and 2 supporting sessions. The speaker of the first technical session was Dr. Shyama Rajaram, head of the LRS department, MS University of Baroda. She conducted an interactive session with the participants on human relations in librarianship. She said that professionalism was a prerequisite in human relationship and explained the importance of professional associations as an educator. During this unique session, she involved the participants by giving them some HR-related activities, which the participants reciprocated with a great amount of zeal. Just 2 minutes. Okay. I'll just skip over the technical sessions. Huh? Okay, fine. There were 2 supporting sessions. The findings gathered from the 151 delegates. I have given the proposed course structure for the future librarianship, future LibDP program. They are short duration and long duration program. I will just skip over there. And finally, I will come to the conclusion part. The above study reveals that a workshop and training programs are the need of the day. As it is being taught in HRM that there is always a scope of improving upon the skills of human being. This can be achieved by conducting regular librarian development program for the professionals. No doubt there are a number of programs are being conducted at different places throughout the year. So there is considering all this fact, it is an appeal and humble request to UGC and NKC for the proposed, to take the essential step towards the direction of the proposed LibDP for the benefit of LIS professionals. Thank you.